Hello and assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. This is me Sania Khan. Today I am going to share the review of this primer, Kiss Beauty Oil Volume Base Primer. This is the packaging. You can see it. I used it for long, so I thought to share a review with all of you. This is Oil Volume Base Primer. This is the packaging look like. It's a good primer. So let's open it. This is the bottle, glass bottle. I took only one pump. One drop would be enough for whole face or max 2. You can see its shine. It gives some dewy effect, but let it dry and observe in skin. You can see it, guys. Now you can apply any base over it. It will not look patchy, but give it 2 minutes to let it dry. If I talk about it, its price and whole packaging, you can see it has some gold particles in it. Price is 550 rupees. Its oil volume base primer is 35 ml in 550 rupees. I guess it's worth buying. It's really necessary to have a primer in summer, especially because our skin produce so much oil. So I do recommend. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.